Hi. So when a candidate goes to view their available opportunities in their calendar here, they have the option to view the client's profile by clicking on any job listing. So here they can view the client's profile. If you would like to change that, you can go into your settings and there's a few options around this. So you would go into your administration dashboard here and you would go under settings to agency settings and then under jobs, and you would look for this section here right here. So your first option is to not have the client profile show up on any of the job listings at all. The second option is to have the client profile show up just as I showed you before, so it'll show up like this. And another option is to only have the client profile show up to candidates that have been assigned to the job listing by checking this box off here. Now, if you want everyone to be able to see the client profile, but you want certain fields in the client profile only visible to the assigned candidates, you would leave this box checked off and then you would go to your profile builder and find the section you want to make private. So let's say we want to go under contact information, and let's say we want to hide the client's address, for example. So you would go under select other properties and you would scroll down to is private. So now this section, the address of the client's profile, is hidden from everyone. Now, if you want it to be visible to the assigned candidates at least, you can check this box off here and then press save. And that's it. Now the address is only visible to candidates who have been assigned to the job listings.